You are always manifesting. In this video, I will teach you how to manifest with intention instead of having life just happen to you. If you're serious about manifesting and creating the life you've always dreamed about, this video is for you. Stay tuned till the end of the video for a specific plan that you can use to manifest a better outcome in any kind of event, whether it's a first date, scratching a lottery ticket, or a high-pressure presentation. Welcome to Manifest Best. I'm a mindset and manifestation coach, and I teach people how to manifest happiness. When you master your mind, you can master your reality. Manifestations come from your thoughts, feelings, words, actions, and beliefs. These are the 5 pillars of manifestation. Everything around you and within you is a manifestation. Even the way you think about manifesting will manifest. Like, if you believe manifestation is easy, it's going to be easy. If you think manifestation is a bunch of hoo-ha, well, then it's going to be very difficult to manifest what you desire. Thoughts generally are the first part of manifestation that we become aware of. We've probably all heard the phrase, think about a thought. And while that is the core technique to purposefully thinking things into existence, it's not necessarily the core of manifestation. But we'll talk about that more in a few minutes. Your thoughts lead to feelings. But you don't have to just feel whatever comes to you. You can actually select your feelings by choosing what to focus on, having selective hearing, and interpreting everything in a positive and constructive way. We're told it's unhealthy or even delusional to focus only on the good things, to hear what we want to hear, and flat out ignore the negatives. But conscious manifestation is all about being positively delusional. Now, I'm not saying that you should ignore abuse or your mental health. You should always prioritize your safety and make time to address those issues with a professional. But make sure that you spend the majority of your time feeling good. This requires a bit of belief in the future and a bit of disbelief in the present. But you need to believe that it's okay to choose your feelings. It's not unhealthy or delusional. And the way that you're choosing to feel now is the way that you will genuinely feel in the future. Feelings lead to words, and your words are your wand. If you're new to manifestation, this is the easiest pillar for most people to start with. Become very conscious of what you say and write. You want all your words to be positive and to align with your desires. Don't speak about how unlikely you are to get what you want. Don't argue for your limitations. Don't talk about your failures. There is a way to talk about your failures without identifying them as such. You can do this by saying, I had a great experience and I think things will continue to go well. I did notice one thing that I'd like to go differently next time. And talk about ways to prevent that failure from happening again instead of dwelling on how it failed this time. You'll find that being selective with your words in this way will make your desired manifestations come stronger and faster. Words lead to actions. The way you act will influence your circumstances. And since our thoughts, feelings, words, and actions are often influenced by our circumstances, the way we act can have a big impact on our manifestations. What we want to do is act as if. If you're new to manifestation, make sure you're subscribed because I am going to be making an in-depth video about what it means to act as if and how to do it. But just to summarize for this video, acting as if means that you will behave like the person that you're going to be when you have what you want. For example, if you're manifesting a nicer car, take care of the car that you have now, as if it is the car that you want. Keep it clean, drive it with care, Admire it as if it is exactly what you want already. If you want a promotion, carry yourself like you're already in a higher position. If you're manifesting love, watch romance movies, smile a lot, take yourself out on dates. Make a daily schedule that's close to what it will be like when you have your desire. Become the person you want to become, and what you desire will come to be. Beliefs, in my opinion, are the most important part of manifestation. They are the root of our thoughts, which influence our feelings, words, and actions. Beliefs are the core of your work with manifestation. Beliefs come before anything else. Beliefs can also be the hardest factor to tackle. If you aren't yet able to face your limiting beliefs, I want you to focus on the other 4 pillars of manifestation. As you change your thoughts, feelings, words, and actions, your beliefs will begin to change too. But if you're ready to confront your beliefs head on, you will find the fastest route to successful manifestation. Beliefs affect absolutely everything about your life and your manifestation journey. For example, if you believe that feelings are the most important part of manifestation, they will be. Since I believe that beliefs are the most important part of manifestation, they will be. But at the root of that, it's what you believe that will manifest. In fact, if you believe that you don't need to change your beliefs in order to manifest successfully, you'll find that your beliefs don't have as big of an impact on your manifestations. That's how powerful beliefs are. If you believe that all you need are affirmations to manifest successfully, affirmations are all that you'll need. If you believe in the law of attraction over the law of assumption, that's what's going to work best for you. The key is to wield all of the other 4 pillars to your advantage using your beliefs. This process can take some time, but since you're going to be manifesting until the day you die, there is no rush. There is no finish line for manifesting, so take your time. So how can we use this knowledge to manifest with intention instead of having life just happen to us? Here is a specific plan that you can customize for yourself to manifest a better outcome every time. So this plan starts right before your event. This can be any kind of event. It can be just hanging out with your specific person. It can be a job interview. It can be an athletic competition, anything. This strategy will apply to every kind of event. So before it even starts, you want to start off with setting an intention. This really just means deciding how you want the event to go. You can do this with scripting, which basically means writing out how you want the event to go. You can have some sort of ceremony to set the intention, something that feels good for you. You can even say a prayer. Next, you want to visualize the event going well. Go into as much detail as you can. Imagine how you'll feel, what you'll wear, what you'll say, and just imagine everything playing out perfectly. Then you want to identify the specific feeling that you want to feel during this event. And you're going to feel that feeling now, whether it's by just imagining what it will feel like or remembering another time in the past when you felt that way. Next, you want to do affirmations about how the event will go. Make sure to include what you're going to be thinking during the event, how you're going to be feeling, what you'll be saying, and what you'll be doing. Then you want to take action. So you want to actually do something that will give you that feeling that you want to feel during the event. You can do this by meditating, exercising, listening to a certain song, watching a certain video. cuddling with a pet, giving yourself a hug, looking in the mirror and telling yourself that you're beautiful. Again, this is something that you can customize for your desires. So play around with the idea and see what feels best for you. And the only other thing that you need to do before the event is to just believe that it's going to go the way that you want it to go. Then during the event, you want to be thinking positive thoughts, not only about yourself, but about others and about how everything is going. Visualize the present moment going well and picture your end goal. Tap into those good feelings that you brought up before the event. Say affirmations either under your breath or alone in a bathroom stall. You can even type up some affirmations in your phone beforehand and just read through them while you're at the event. Then you're going to act as if everything is going according to plan. This may include having selective hearing and revising on the spot if needed. And again, just believe in the moment that everything is going great. After the event is over, you want a positive, focused summary. If the event wasn't very positive, you're going to reframe what happened and return again to those good feelings regardless of how things went. Then you're going to tell someone how well it went, even if that means omitting the bad parts. And if you don't have a friend that you can text or someone around to share it with, I want you to write in a journal how happy and grateful you are, how excited you are by the outcome, and just how good you feel about the event. And finally, just believe that everything went great. At the core of everything, before, during, and after, you want to focus on your beliefs. Believe that what you want is yours and that it will come to you easily and naturally. Believe that things are going great, that they'll go great in the future, and that they've gone great in the past. I hope that you found this video helpful and that you feel confident in applying what resonated for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. I know that it can be challenging to get to the core of your negative beliefs, so if you feel like you could use some one-on-one guidance, please contact me for coaching at the links in my description. I can help you identify limiting beliefs, and together we can develop a personalized plan so you can manifest precisely and accurately. Now I want you to affirm, I am a successful manifester in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for new videos almost every day. I'm sending you so much love today, and always remember, you are the master of your reality.